Hello, thank you for stopping by. Hawaii is calling. Boomers on the go.
We sure hope you enjoy this video that's coming up.
Yes, we do. And please be sure and subscribe and hit that like button.
Hit the like button.
And subscribe.
Subscribe and share it with your friends.
Have a great one. Enjoy this video.
These are CoCo Puffs from Liliha Bakery.
Look at this.
They are known for these.
These are cream, these are chantilly's, and these are chocolate puffs. So that chantilly, remember we had that cake? That
Chantilly lace. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a chantilly lace. Chantilly lace. That is that sexy song people have me sing all the time, remember? Chantilly lace, you know.
No, I don't. I'm turning it off now.
No, you've always asked me to sing that. This here is
You got the chocolate.
I think yeah, I think that's chantilly in here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that thing coming out of the back end there. Looks like.
Itchy butt.
Yeah. Look. That is good stuff.
That's what they said.
What the heck is that?
Always wanted to come here.
This is one soft red velvet. I don't know why that cherry's on there. I don't think I like cherries. Let me see. Yeah, I kind of like cherries now.
It had icing on it.
Yeah, I like cherries. That's the health stuff. Gotta always have your favorite fruits, people. This is one big old thing here. I'm gonna try to eat it all. Here we go.
His nose is all in it.
I'm sharing this one with your mother. You won't share this one back?
No.
Come here. Turn that camera around on your own self.
Own self?
Yeah.
Why?
Because people see you looking this all.
I'm not licking anything.
Okay, you can buy a drink.